Welcome to discover the Hangzhou Runpaq ice storage cooling system, an energy-smart air conditioning solution that maximizes efficiency while slashing costs. By storing ice during off-peak hours and using it to cool during peak periods, the system smartly balances electricity demand, reducing both energy usage and expenses by leveraging the difference in peak valley electricity prices. This advanced technology cuts down the need for new power plants, minimizes environmental impact, and supports a greener, sustainable future. It also serves as a reliable backup, providing consistent cooling even when the main system is down. Runpaq's versatile designs, like series single-cycle and double-cycle ice melting methods, cater to various building requirements. With a 30 to 50% reduction in refrigeration capacity, the system also cuts infrastructure costs significantly. Equipped with smart ice software for automated control, it reduces labor and enhances efficiency. In real-world applications, such as the R&D core area of Hangzhou Qingshan Lake Science and Technology City, Runpaq's ice storage system has reduced peak valley differences by 25.8% and boosted energy efficiency by over 15%. From commercial buildings to industrial projects, Runpaq's ice storage cooling system is setting a new standard in eco-friendly, cost-effective cooling solutions.